Wait and see.
Welcome to Wait and See. I'm Brian, here with Erica, and today we're launching Hermes Four right on your GPU. No cloud, no paid API, just pure local power.
And if you thought the big models were only for data centers, think again. This is a 4-bit quantized autonomous agent that runs cleanly on a single RTX 4090.
Hermes Four is a lightweight, uncensored agent framework built on top of Llama Four. The team released a GGUF 4-bit model that compresses the 175 billion parameter weight set into about 1.8 gigabytes, allowing a single consumer GPU to load and run it with a memory footprint under 12 gigabytes. The quantization preserves 99% of the contextual fidelity while cutting inference speed overhead by roughly 30%. The uncensored tag means it doesn't have the safety filters baked in like the API version, so you can fine-tune or patch it yourself.
Right, which is a boon for research labs that need full control over the output.
Benchmarks from the official repo show that on an RTX 4090 with 24 gigabytes of VRAM, Hermes 4 processes about 50 tokens per second in 4-bit mode. In contrast, Llama 4 in the same quantized state reaches roughly 35 tokens per second on identical hardware. That 43% speed increase comes from Hermes' lightweight prompt engineering and its integrated task scheduler. Plus, Hermes' agent loop can keep a short-term memory buffer in GPU memory, reducing the need to reload context each turn. Let's walk through the install. First, clone the Hermes repo from GitHub and pull the GGUF file. The download is under 2 gigabytes, so it won't clog your bandwidth.
Next, set up a Python 3.10 environment and install the required libraries. The bits&bytes package handles the 4-bit quantization on the GPU.
Loading the model is a single line of code. This tells the framework to map all layers onto the GPU automatically and apply 4-bit quantization. The resulting GPU memory usage stays below 12 gigabytes on a 4090. After that, you need to initialize the agent loop. The memory size parameter controls how many past turns the agent keeps in a rolling buffer. The agent's prompt template is a simple JSON structure. You can extend this template to include context, tool calls, or API hooks.
Once the loop is set up, run a quick test. The latency for a single turn is under 250 milliseconds on a 4090 thanks to the 4-bit speed.
To keep the agent autonomous, you can hook a simple task scheduler. This pushes a daily prompt at 8 a.m. local time, letting the agent generate a summary of your logs without manual input. If you want to store the agent's long-term memory, integrate a local vector store like ifs or weaviate. Embed your prompts with the model's hidden layers, push them into the index, and retrieve relevant chunks for future queries. Running the full stack on a consumer machine is surprisingly stable. The GPU temperature peaks at 70 degrees Celsius under load, and the memory stays within 12 gigabytes. No overclocking needed.
Contrast that with Llama 4 on the same hardware. The same 4-bit model hits 35 tokens per second, but its default agent wrapper is more verbose and slower because it uses a larger context window. Plus, Llama's built-in safety layer adds extra tokens for censorship checks, trimming usable output.
For power users, Hermes offers a customizable prompt chaining mechanism. You can script multi-step tasks where each step's output feeds into the next, all handled locally. This eliminates round-trip latency that cloud APIs suffer from. If you run into memory limits, you can swap to 3-bit quantization. The trade-off is a slight drop in perplexity, but on a 3090, it brings the model down to 8 gigabytes total memory usage, still leaving headroom for other processes.
Also, the open-source nature means you can patch the safety layer. By replacing the safety checker module with custom rule set, you keep the agent uncensored while still blocking harmful outputs if you wish.
In summary, Hermes 4 delivers faster token throughput, lower memory, and full local autonomy compared to the standard Llama 4 deployment. The 4-bit GGUF model is the key to keeping the footprint manageable, while the agent framework adds a lightweight, customizable layer that scales with your workflow. Ready to try it? The step-by-step guide, code snippets, and links are in the description below.
And if you run into issues, drop a comment or hit that community forum link.
That's it from Wait and See, signal through the noise of AI.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.